Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. Here we are the day after EM went through. Fortunately, we didn't get too much damage here in Tampabay area, but man, those poor people down south, they got pretty ravaged. Any rate, so here we are back to work. We have a paver cleaning and sealing job to do today. Hopefully everything will be dry enough when we get there. So anyway, welcome back, and we'll see you at the job site. Alright guys, here we are at the job site. We'll walk back here and I'll show you what we're cleaning and sealing today. Alright, so here's the patio fire pit area. And then inside here as well. As you can see, we have a lot of weeds in here. We're gonna have to dig out, get all that situated, and that's it. All right, that's it. So let's get moving.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot.
Alright, here we are back at the other job that we cleaned yesterday. So, just doing a final blow off. They cleaned up really nice. We're just about ready for sealer now, so. Okay, so we're all done with this. We got the sealer down. Turned out really nice. The colors are really coming out. Yep. All right, so another sealing job done. So we'll get back to the other one and put some do some sanding and sealing on that as well. All right, we'll see you back there.